Welcome to our channel, Law of Attraction in Practice. Here, we will talk about a subject that has been changing the lives of many people around the world, the Law of Attraction. Before we begin, I want to make it clear that this is a subject that has been discussed for many years, and many people have different opinions and perspectives on how the Law of Attraction works. In this channel, you will stay up to date on everything about the Law of Attraction, so don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications to be notified of new weekly videos. So, what is the Law of Attraction? Well, in simple terms, the Law of Attraction is the idea that our thoughts and emotions attract similar experiences to us. If we are thinking and feeling positive things, we attract positive things in our lives. If we are thinking and feeling negative things, we attract negative things in our lives. It sounds simple, right? But how can we apply this in our lives? The answer is by practicing gratitude, maintaining a positive mindset, and visualizing our goals. An example of applying the Law of Attraction is the practice of gratitude. By thanking for the good things in our lives, we are focusing on positive things and attracting more good things to us. A simple exercise we can do is to write a list of things we are grateful for every day. Another way to apply the Law of Attraction is by maintaining a positive mindset. This means letting go of negative thoughts and emotions and focusing on positive things. An exercise we can do is to replace negative thoughts with positive thoughts whenever they arise. Finally, visualizing our goals is a powerful way to apply the Law of Attraction. By visualizing our goals, we are attracting more positive energy and putting ourselves on the right path to achieve them. An exercise we can do is to visualize our goals in detail every day. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and that it was helpful for you to understand what the Law of Attraction is and how it can be applied in your life. Don't forget to leave your comment. Your participation and opinion are very important. If you want to delve deeper into the subject and receive more tips on how to apply the Law of Attraction in your life, as well as tips for success and prosperity, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law of Attraction in Practice, and click on the notification button to receive our new videos every week. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.